Alright, I can place my first trade. Now the plan is for me to make like $100, so I may have to pause this first and I'll be right back when it's done. Okay, first trade has pulled through. That's 31%. So let me try and do another trade, but I'll need to check for another signal. Okay, second trade in motion. I just placed the second trade. I may have to pause and be right back once it's done. I don't like showing the moving charts. The reason is just so that you will not be moving with it as it's going up and down. I like to show just the figure so that when you are seeing just the figure, the impact is minimal. Alright, this has also pulled through, so let me pause and go for the third trade. Okay, I just entered the third trade. I wasted time actually. I was supposed to enter on time, but I wasted a bit time. So let's see how fast it will pull through. I may have to pause if it doesn't pull through immediately. Okay, I may have to pause right now. I don't like looking at this aspect. I don't like looking at it for the reason why I know a lot of people will also not like looking at it. It gives you panic. Even though the market's supposed to be moving up, it may be giving you some kind of panic. Like right now, it's down. Look at it, it's down. And if you're looking at that, you absolutely be discouraged to think you can still win. Yeah, so you have to trust in the system, trust in your strategy, and you will eventually get this signal. I actually delayed. I should have entered long time. I delayed with almost 1 or 2 minutes, so I'm waiting for it to pull through. Once I have 30 seconds left and my signal did not pull through, I just as well assume it's a lost trade. So do I lose? This is just showing you, yes, you can lose. But remember, I've made so far, I think 60%. So let's see. This trade is a loss trade. Yeah, it's a loss trade. So let's go and see what I have. I have $64. That was the profit. So I may have to start another trade. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've just placed a trade with the remaining balance. Let's see how the trade will go. I place a trade with the remaining 60-something%. I'll have to come back. Okay, no pain, no gain. So I'm back to like $84. Remember, I started with $100. I've made some profits, and I've also had some losses. So I've had like $84. So I'm actually waiting for me to get. I'm sure the uptrend is stronger than the downtrend, so I'm waiting for a signal to enter. I have entered another trade. Now, the reason why I'm showing you, I'm trying to record a complete trading section is so that you get to understand that I also experience losses. But you see, you can see I'm still back to profit. So I'm going to continue trading, and I'm going to change the pattern of the trading now. I'm going to try and trade with, yeah. Okay, this has pulled through. Let me make another trade, and I'll pause and I'll be right back. This will be my second to the last trade. After this, I'll do one more trade, and I believe I'll be done. Waiting for this to pull through. Once it pulls through, I believe I'm done. Okay, it's almost there. Okay. All right, so it's there. So one last trade, and I'm gonna do the last trade with everything. Hey, don't try this if you're not willing to risk what you have. Do not try this. I'm trading this way because I already have signal. I'm already trained to trade and risk for better profit. So if you're not trained, don't try this. You will lose your capital. I know exactly what I'm doing, what I want to achieve, and I've been able to achieve that. So right now I am with $250. I started with $100 and now I'm with 252. So I've been able to make 150%. If you are not ready to risk your capital, waiting you gain. Hey, to learn how to do this yourself, hey, just chat me up or visit my website. God bless you. See you in another video.